Article 200 in the National Electrical Code mostly deals with ways to identify the grounded circuit conductor. Now, I'm using the free NEC. This, remember, is based on the 2008 edition of the National Electrical Code. Our module is working through the 2011 National Electrical Code. That means that the work that you'll be doing in this module will be coming from the 2011 National Electrical Code book. But for referencing and just for me, for illustrative purposes, I'm using the free NEC, which is based on the 2008 National Electrical Code. So for Article 200, I'm going to go to Chapter 2. And you'll have to excuse, this is full of ads. If I accidentally make a mistake and click an ad, then we'll just go back. If I scroll down here, you'll see that Chapter 2 is for the wiring and protection. Article 200 is the use and identification of grounded conductors. Now, as an example, we can see here that the way the code is broken down is it starts with, say, in this case, Article 200, and then we have Article 200.1, and then under 200, Article 200.1, we have Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3. Notice Article 200.2. Under that, we have Part A, Part B. If we go to Article 200.6, you notice we have Part A, and then under Part A, we have Subpart 1, 2, and 3. So just as an example, Article 200.6, means of identifying grounded conductors. And if we look at Part A here, it's dealing with sizes 6 AWG or smaller. AWG means American wire gauge. It says that an insulated grounded conductor of 6 AWG or smaller shall be identified by continuous white or gray outer finish or by 3 continuous white stripes on other than green insulation along its entire length. And then we can read on and we can see that an insulated grounded conductor shall also be permitted to be identified as follows. And there's 3 subparts here, 1, 2, and 3. So if we look at number 1, we can also identify a grounded conductor of a mineral insulated metal sheathed cable shall be identified at the time of installation by distinctive marking at its terminations. And then there's 2 other permissive applications of grounded conductors. Now what we're going to do is answer some questions based on Article 200, where I will give you a question and then you will simply locate in Article 200 the information that I'm asking for.